Hi, welcome to 3 Inches Hand Embroidery. I'm Eric. In this video, I'll show you how to make a 3D cloth. I know you've been looking for this tutorial for a long time, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There'll be more hand embroidery videos coming up soon. Before we start, there are two things you have to know. First thing is how to draw a cloud pattern. When you're drawing a cloud pattern, the pattern has to be smaller than the exact size of the cloud. Cause look at this, the cloud will expand to a bigger size after you finish making it. So keep that in mind when you're drawing the pattern. And second is what kind of needle and yarn is suitable for making 3D cloth. Basically, you can use any middleweight yarn or DMC tapestry wool, both works. And the needle that I recommend is DMC Tapestry Needle size 16. Here we go. The embroidery stitch that I use here is turkey stitch. Make a loop around 0.6 inch or 1.5 cm high. After that, make a second stitch tightly to anchor the loop. You can make the loop up to 0.8 inch or 2 cm if you want it higher. This is how you make a turkey stitch. So fill out the pattern with turkey stitch. Once you're finished, cut all the loops in half. After that, I use a size 3 embroidery needle to scratch the yarn. This is how you make it look fluffy. And the final step, shaping. Trim the cloth into the shape you want. Make the edges rounder. You need a little practice for the trimming, so it's better to do it slow. I'll stitch a fluffy ball on top of the cloth to enhance the 3D effect. The special tool we need here is a regular fork. Wrap it up with the yarn around 40 times. After that, tie up the needle with embroidery floss. Make sure it's tight enough. Cut through all the loops. Scratch it with a needle to make it fluffy. The final step, stitch it on top of the cloud. There we go. I hope you have found this video useful. I'll be happy if you can hit on the like button, and you're always welcome to share it to your friends. Thank you for watching.